coincidental, essentially, that because I had been the theater surgeon in the Middle East and in Iraq and so on, they actually were asked that I lead the trauma research programs for the military right at the time where Congress in 2007 appropriated $300 million in research for traumatic brain injury and psychological health for these invisible wounds. And every year since then, they have added about 120 to 160 million dollars of research funding for the military to work on this issue. So the military is really a leading grant authority for the work in the field. In the earlier stages, it was actually the leading one. We work closely with the NIH, obviously work closely with the Veterans Administration to have a coordinated program. I was one of the authors of the National Research Action Plan, which was issued by the White House on how the federal agencies need to work together. During my tenure of about 7 years, we funded about 650 projects in traumatic brain injury, made major advances in TBI. It was perceived that people weren't tough enough if they took a knee after a head injury. And really that whole paradigm changed really in 2007. After that, more and more emphasis on testing before they deploy, on repeated education, on reporting, on getting them to care, and being able to reduce the long-term consequences of these concussions. It was if you have these symptoms and don't report them, the time that you take to recover them is typically 50 to 100% longer. It's almost double the amount of recovery time as if you report them. Get care right away. Don't get re-exposed to another injury right away, and let your brain heal.